In this era of rapid development, we always feel the power of change. Welcome to Shenli Pneumatic Mining Machinery Company. We are a set of production, sales in one of the pneumatic mining machinery manufacturing enterprises. We are aware of your high demand for products. Therefore, we are committed to creating high-quality pneumatic mining machinery products. We lead the industry innovation, the introduction of Sweden Atlas Copco, Epiroc, Japan Furukawa and other foreign manufacturers of technology. Ordinary machining equipment, CNC machining equipment and machining centers and other advanced equipment, forming a complete production system. With unique technology and unparalleled design, we have redefined the standard of pneumatic machinery industry. Shenli has obtained a series of professional qualifications and patent certificates, has passed ISO 9002 Quality System certification, obtained the China Light Product Quality Assurance Center of the Double Guarantee Demonstration Unit Certificate, China's famous brand, Consumer Trustworthy Products, Network Excellent Products and many other honors.